Bakit naming maidokumento sa video at maobserba ng iba pang mga marine mammals na matatagpuan sa Bohol Sea. Lalo na mga dambuhalang balyena na kumakain dito. Marami kaming naidokumento mga kakaibang ugali. Isa na diyan ang mga melon-headed whale na naglalag na nakakatakang napalapit sa aming bangka.
Meron na kakaibang behavior itong melon-headed whales. Parang biglang may sumalubong na mga 5 melon-headed whales na umaandar naman sila, pero nagtataka kami bakit hindi sila nagda-divert. Natatawa kami dahil bigla na lang sila nagulat na, uy, nandito na pala yung bangka. Ano kaya iniisip nila? Ano kayang ginagawa na natutulog o ano, kakatapos lang mag-merienda?
At sa paghahanap namin ng mga higante,
nasa dulo na tayo ng isla ng Bohol, pero wala pa rin tayo nakikita. No blow! No jumping dolphins!
isang panibagong uri ng dolphin ang nadatna namin isang umaga. Sila ang bottlenose dolphins.
Yung mga bottlenose dolphin dito, parang ang ilap nila, no? Nahagip ng camera namin yung maaring dahilan kung bakit sila naging mailap sa amin. May kasama kasi silang bagong panganak na dolphin. Natatandaan ko nung 70s, nung bata pa ako, meron ako napapanood na western movie. Very friendly sila. It's amazing na makikita natin kung gaano sila kasaya, kung gaano nila, yung natural na nagalaw nila, no, nakikita natin. Na-touch ako, no, dahil nakita ko yung ability ng nanay na inaalagaan yung anak nila. Para natin mas maunawaan yung pag-ugali ng mga dolphins, kumonsulta tayo dun sa isang eksperto na si Dr. Monica De Angelis. Siya yung head marine mammal biologist ng National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration sa Amerika.
What I saw in the video was that the animal, it's called spy hopping, and it's exactly what it sounds like. They sort of come out of the water, just about half of their body, and sometimes you can see the animal sort of looking around. And so the theory is that they spy hop to sort of get an idea of their surroundings.
Nung napadpad sa amin yung mga melon-headed whales na halos mabunggo nila kami, ito yung weird, you know?
It was probably likely that they thought that there was something else going on that they didn't like. And so what they wanted to do was probably be nearer to you because you became part of their team and you guys became friends. They could have also been sleeping, so the leader they were following the leader, and if the leader said, okay, it's time to be quiet, or we need to go over here because I'm curious to see what these folks are doing in the boat, everybody followed. And then once the leader made the decision, okay, we're done, I know exactly what's going on, that's probably when they left.
We also want to know kung bakit yung mga spinner dolphin nagsispin. Ano bang ibig sabihin nito?
Spinner dolphins jump up in the air and they spin 3 or 4 times like you're twirling around when you're dancing. And basically we think they do that to either remove, some parasites or bugs that they may have on them, or to talk to one another, because when they land in the water, there's bubbles in the water and they tend to chirp and squeak. It's called echolocation. And what that does is it actually helps the, when you talk really loudly and you make it bubbles, it'll actually travel farther so you can talk to your friend farther away. And that's exactly what they're trying to do when they're communicating in the water.
Tapos meron pa kami na dokumento na nagkikiskisin yung mga nguso nila, no? Ano bang ibig sabihin nito? Anong interpretation nito? So marami pa kaming gustong malaman.
Whether it was that they were rubbing noses like kisses or something like that, I don't know, but it was definitely more of a social thing, a pleasant social thing rather than an aggressive sort of fighting behavior. Certainly is possible that it's courtship or part of a mating ritual behavior that they have.
Bakit nagiging mailap ang mga spinner dolphins kung meron silang mga calf?
Bottlenose dolphins in particular, when they have a baby with them, a calf, the mothers will be very, very protective, just like your mom would be with you. And so that is exactly why they would want to stay away and not be as curious maybe when they're traveling as just adults.
3 species na ng marine mammal ang aming nadokumento. Pagkatapos niya bumuga, sabay higop naman niya ng hangin. So, nagkikreate siya ng parang pito. Parang, ibig sabihin, nag-inhale siya.